Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Smart Speaker, and today I'll show you how we can enable or disable the night mode. And first we have to open the Google Home app. Next, tap on our speaker, tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner and go for the notifications and the digital well-being. And as you can see here, we can find the night mode, so let's enter for it. And here we can simply enable this one by tapping on the switcher, and here we can also adjust this mode. We can change the LED brightness at night, also the maximum volume. Here we can also enable or disable the do not disturb mode and pick the hours from, to, and also the days. So if you want to get it only from Monday to Friday, you have to unselect Sunday and Saturday, and it will be looks like that. After that, you can just simply go back. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.